Have you ever felt this? Your kid has many toys, and somehow it still feels like it's not enough sometimes. And you catch yourself thinking, maybe they just need something new. I've definitely been there. Buying new toys for every little phase can get expensive, and you never really know how long your child will actually be into them. Today, I'm going to show you how I made a DIY oven using materials that likely you already have at home too. It doesn't cost a lot of money, and when you are done with the toy, you can get rid of it pretty easily. No extra clutter in the house. If you're interested, let's dive right in. First, let's find a medium-sized cardboard box. Tape the bottom and the top sides with clear packing tape for now. Cut an arched opening on the front of the box. Let's call the oven opening the front side. After the arch is cut, you can remove the tape near that area, then use a hot glue gun to glue the front panels back in place. Measure the bottom of the box, then cut a piece of cardboard to the same size that fits right there. I also painted mine black, but this painting step is optional. There are different ways to go about creating the fire inside. I took some colored paper and drew the flames. Then I cut out the large, medium, and small flames one by one and layered them together. This part is completely flexible and up to you. You can paint the flames if you want. You can use crayons. You can download and print images. Just use whatever you already have at home. Once the fire is done, flip the cardboard piece upside down and place it inside the box. Then tape down this bottom side to secure it. Find another piece of cardboard and cut out some stone shapes. This step is optional. Only do it if you do have time and feel like adding more decorative details. Paint the four sides of the box. I know it sounds very straightforward, but this is the most time-consuming part of this craft. I went for a brick oven look, so I mixed a few acrylic paint colors to get that reddish brown. If you used tape to hold the bottom in place earlier, you can peel the tape temporarily off for the painting. Then you can just tape it back on once everything is dry. We're not aiming for perfection here, so it's all good. After the paint on the whole box dries, use a hot glue gun to attach the stone pieces to the box. I also made a pizza peel. If you also want to do that, find a thick piece of cardboard and really just cut out the shape. The key is making sure the cardboard isn't too thin so it holds up during play. My daughter didn't really have an idea of what a pizza oven was, so I showed her a short video of a real pizza oven to help her make that mental connection. Once she understood, she started playing with it more. I hope this activity add more joy to your pretend play at home with your little one. If you end up making one, I'd love to hear how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.